my journey has been full of ups and downs, and there's no exception in this. I did the CS course and then became a business development executive. Went to the sales department, and after tasting multiple juices, finally I figured out that my interest lies in digital marketing.
In spite of being very good at programming during my college days, I always wanted a profession that will provide me new challenges every day, and that's how I became a digital marketer.
I never knew that I would grow up to become a content writer. So I started my career journey right after graduating from commerce, and now it is going fantastic.
My biggest challenge was how to interact with people and clients especially. I didn't know pitching skills. I failed several times in sales and I missed my target also. When I entered marketing, I was very new, and that's where I lost my confidence.
So, talking about the challenges, okay, so it wasn't as easy as it seems. And one of the major challenges that I had to overcome is sustaining in the industry where you have to learn new things every single day. I had to gain a lot of confidence to make myself presentable and to speak to people across the globe.
The major challenges I have faced is generating high quality traffic and leads organically and through paid mediums. I struggle a lot to find the best working methods to achieve my goals.
Then I did multiple courses and I found myself more inclined toward this. And people in marketing to know their journey, and this is how I gained a lot of confidence.
As per the demand of my profession, I took the help of my mentors in knowing the skills of writing and presenting the emotions and feelings in words. I also attended some of the great webinars to know the ins and outs of the writing.
To overcome my challenges, I keep myself updated with market trends and new techniques and methods. I keep on experimenting multiple methods so that I can achieve my goals.
Okay, so trust me, when I started in this industry, I asked very stupid questions to my industry professionals, and to my surprise, they really appreciated it. So be there to ask me stupid questions too in the content writing and content marketing course.
We are here to help you make your future bright now. Our mentorship program will provide you the personal support to facilitate success in every domain and beyond, where I will be sharing with you key tactics of becoming a successful digital marketer.
Join us to nurture yourself as a leader and as a manager, especially in the growing world of marketing. This is an excellent opportunity for all the freshly graduates wishing to make their career in digital marketing.